Hello everyone, today I am going to discuss the second problem of development of surfaces, and this is by radial line method. The given problem is, draw the development of lateral surface of a hexagonal pyramid with a 30 mm base side and a 60 mm long axis which is resting on its base in the HP such that an edge of the base is perpendicular to VP when a horizontal section plane cuts the pyramid at a height of 25 mm from the base. Now let's start the drawing quickly. Draw a reference line, and now I'm going to draw the top view. The top view of a hexagonal pyramid is a hexagon, and internal angles of hexagon is 120 degrees. Join all the corners of the hexagonal pyramid and mark it as A, B, C, D, E, F and the apex is O. Draw the projection line so as to obtain the front view. The height of the hexagonal pyramid is 60 mm. And front view is a triangle. Marking a distance of 25 mm from the base, draw a line parallel to the reference line and make this line dark because this portion is going to be the retained part and we have to draw the surface development of this part itself. This line is going to be dark because we can see the point C from the front view. Mark the rest of the corners A dash, B dash, C dash, F dash, apex as O dash, and D dash and E dash. From the point O, draw a line parallel to the reference line. Take O as the center, OE as the radius and draw an arc till H. From the point H, draw a line perpendicular to the reference line and mark it as H dash. Join O dash and H dash with the help of a straight line. This line is known as the true length of the slant edge. Now draw a line parallel to O dash H dash and mark it as OA. Take O as the center, OA as the radius and draw an arc. Now take your compass, measure AB and cut here and mark it as capital B. Similarly mark C, D, E, F and the last point is going to be A. So measure FA and cut it at A. Join OA with the help of a straight line. Join OB, OC, OD, OE, OF with the help of a straight line. Now join AB, BC, CD, DE, EF and FA with the help of a straight line. Now we will mark the horizontal plane. P dash, Q dash, R dash, S dash, T dash and U dash. Extend U dash till OA and mark this point as capital P. Take O as the center, OP as the radius and draw an arc till capital P. Now mark Q, R, S, T and U as shown. Join PQ, R, S, T, U till P with the help of a straight line. Finish up the required part by darkening the lines. I hope this drawing is clear to you. Thank you for watching this video.